An all-in-one calculator application for Android is a versatile and comprehensive tool designed to meet a wide array of mathematical needs in a single, user-friendly interface. Unlike traditional calculators, which are limited to basic arithmetic, this type of app encompasses features that cater to various mathematical disciplines, making it suitable for students, professionals, and everyday users alike. These applications typically include basic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but they also extend to more advanced capabilities. Users can access scientific calculations, which may involve trigonometric functions, logarithms, and exponentials. Graphing features allow users to visualize mathematical functions and equations, providing a deeper understanding of concepts. Overall, an all-in-one calculator app serves as an essential companion for anyone needing a reliable and multifunctional tool to perform various calculations efficiently on their Android devices. Whether for academic purposes, professional tasks, or personal finance, such an app streamlines the process, making complex calculations more accessible and manageable,